Hello everyone, happy to see you here. Welcome back to my channel Higher Mathematics. Today we have a great, quick and relaxing algebra question. A square minus b square equal to 19, and we need to solve this question for a and b. So if you have your solution, your answers, you can also write it in the comments below, and then we will check our answers, our solution in a few minutes. So first of all, on the left side we have difference of squares, so we can easily expand it in terms of school identity. We can write it at a minus b, and we can write it a minus b times a plus b, and equal to 19. Right now, a few words about this 19. 19 is a prime number, so we don't have like a lot of cases. How can we express this 19? And we can easily do this real quick. We can write this 19 as 1 times 19. This is the first way. How could we express this? Of course, 19 times 1 is also a case for us, and of course a negative part, minus 1 times minus 19. This is our third case, and our fourth case equal to minus 19 times minus 1. So we have 4 cases, and basically let's write our 4 system of equations. So our first system of equations, we have a minus b equal to, we have 1 and 19. This is our first case, a minus b equal to 1, and a plus b equal to 19. Okay, let's go to the second case. Our second case right here, we are talking about 19 and 1, so a minus b equal to 19, and a plus b equal to 1. Okay, our third case, we have our third system of equations, minus 1 minus 19, so a minus b equal to minus 1, and a plus b equal to minus 19. And our last case, minus 19 and minus 1. So we have our fourth case, we have a minus b equal to minus 19, and a plus b equal to minus 1. And all this system of equations we can easily solve instantly because they are easy to solve it. Okay, I'm going to show you a really great trick. How can we solve this system of equation? For example, in the first one and each of this, we can easily solve by addition. So when we add both equations, so when we add it, we can cancel this b. So we have 2a equal to, we cancel b, and 1 plus 19 equal to 20. So from here we have that our a is equal to 10. Yeah, it's equal to 10. What about b? So we can write but from the second equation. Let's write it. So b equal to 19 minus a. So but b equal to 19 minus a equal to 19 minus 10 equal to 9. So we have our first pair, 10 and 9. This is our first pair. Let's go to the next part. We're gonna solve our second system of equations. So right here, the same logic, we're gonna add to a equal to 20. So the same a, we have 2a equal to 20, and from here we have that our a is equal to 10, but b will be completely different. But b equal to, how can we express this b? B equal to 1 minus a. b equal to 1 minus a. 1 minus a. So we have 1 minus 10 equal to minus 9. And we have our second pair. And we have 10 equal to 10 and a equal to 10, sorry, and 10 and b equal to minus 9. We have our second pair. Let's solve our third system of equations. We have this one, so 2a equal to minus 20. Okay, so 2a equal to minus 20 and from here our a is equal to minus 10. Okay, a equal to minus 10, and if we're talking about b equal to minus 19 minus a. So but b equal to minus 19 minus a. In our case, we have minus 19 minus 10, we have plus 10, which is equal to minus 9. So our third pair, minus 10 and minus 9. Minus 10 and minus 9. And our last system of two equations, we have 2a equal to minus 20. So our fourth system of equations, we have 2a equal to minus 20, and from here our a is equal to minus 10. But if we're talking about b equal to minus 1 minus a. So we have b equal to minus 1 minus a. So as a result, we have minus 1 minus 10. So we have plus 10 equal to, right here we have 9. And we have our fourth pair. We have minus 10 and 9. Minus 10 and 9. So right now, let's gather all the roots together. So let's write it as a final answer to this question. And let's check it real quick. Let's see if this root are good or not good. So our answer, we have 4 pairs. We have a and b in our question. A and b, we have pair equal to. So the first pair, we have we have 10, 9. We have first pair 10 and 9. Second pair from here we have 10 and minus 9. 10 and minus 9. Third pair we have minus 10 and minus 9. And fourth pair minus 10 and 9. We have 4 pairs, and we have the same constant but different sign. And in the end, let's check real quick our pairs. Maybe we have to reject something, so let's do it. So our check our check, a square minus b square equal to 19. So let's check, for example, this one real quick. So we have 10 and 9. So we have 10 square minus 9 square equal to 19. Everything is great because 100 minus 81 equal to 19. So this pair is good for us, 10 and and 9. What about the next pairs? Let's check it. Let's check right here, 10 and minus 9. So we have 10 square minus 9 square equal to 19. And exactly in this case, we have absolutely the same the same expression. We have 100 minus 9 to the power 2 equal to 81. So as you can see right here, it doesn't matter if we have like positive or negative. If you're talking about squares, so we just actually get rid of this negative sign. We have all the time positive, and you can see this thing right here when we have both negative values. So we have minus 10 square minus 9 square equal to 19. And exactly in this case, we have both values negative. So that's why minus 10 square equal to minus 10 times minus 10. So yeah, we have all the time positive. Minus 10 times minus 10. We have right here 100 minus. Right here we have minus 9 times minus 9. So if you don't understand why it's all the time positive, we have minus 10 times minus 10 equal to 100 right here, minus, and minus 9 times minus 9 equal to 81. So basically we have absolutely the same expression all the time. So this root is good, this pair is good, this one, and of course you can easily see that this pair is good as well. We have 100 minus 81. So if we're talking about this question, we have four pairs, 10, 9, 10 minus 9, minus 10 and minus 9, and minus 10 and 9. We have four pairs, and we actually check this pair right here on the right side. So I really hope you understand. This solution. And one really interesting moment, because sometimes happen that this constant on the right side is not a prime number. So then you have a lot of cases, but exactly in this case 19 is a prime number. It's a prime number. So it means that we have only, if you're talking about positive values, we have only one case. How can we express this 19? So 1 times 19 or 19 times 1. This is only one case. So we can express this using 2, 4, 6, and 8. This is only one case. But right here we have a product of two parentheses, so that's why we have to include this this negative part. So I really hope you understand what I mean. And of course, for system of equations, we can solve it real quick, because right here we use method of addition. That's why we reject all this b all the time, and we have a classic equation. So I hope you understand this part as well. And our roots, our pairs are absolutely correct. So that's why it means that our solution is is good. A lot of students, they end up with this pair. They say, okay, 10 and 9 is only one pair, but as you can see, we have to include negative values as well. So as a result, we have four pairs. That's why my quick recommendation is to solve this question completely, not by inspection, because by inspection you can guess 10 and 9, because 100 minus 81 equal to 19. But in the same way, try to think a little bit and try to look through the solution, try to pause it, and try to learn how can we solve this type of question. That's why you can say that you solve this question completely and step by step. So I really hope you understand my solution, really hope you understand my explanation. Write your question in the comments below. It will be really interesting to read about your questions. And write your notes, write your assumptions about this solution. A lot of teachers here, a lot of students. So that's why write your, how do you see this question from your angle. And yeah, see you in the next videos. Have a great day and take care of yourself.